Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade Cajun seasoning. This seasoning is great on everything for grilling and also cooking, and you can also use it pretty much in all your Cajun recipes. Cajun fries, Cajun chicken, Cajun shrimp, any kind of Cajun recipes. So if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. And now if you're ready to learn how to make your own homemade Cajun seasoning, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, so for our Cajun seasoning, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of dry oregano, 2 teaspoons of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of parsley flake, 1 teaspoon of dry basil, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, so here we go for all my components of my Cajun seasoning. So now I'm gonna use my whisk and give it a nice whisk. Okay, so that's it for our Cajun seasoning. So we're gonna put it in our airtight container until it's time to use it. Okay, that's it pretty much for our video. I show you guys how to make your own homemade Cajun seasoning. So if you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace.